Success is not a destination, it's a continuous journey of growth and self-discovery. True success is not measured by the wealth you accumulate, but by the positive impact you have on others. Success is not about reaching the top. It's about enjoying the climb and the view along the way. Success is not found in the absence of failure, but in the ability to rise every time you fall. The road to success is often paved with perseverance, resilience, and a relentless pursuit of your dreams. Success is not defined by the applause of others, but by the satisfaction you feel within yourself. Success is the result of taking small, consistent steps towards your goals, even when progress seems slow. True success lies in finding joy and fulfillment in the journey, rather than solely focusing on the outcome. Success is not about achieving perfection. It's about embracing your imperfections and using them as stepping stones to grow. Success is not a one-time event. It's a lifestyle characterized by continuous learning, adaptation, and improvement. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.